ready to unlock a universe of magic and adventures right on your Apple TV. Let's get Disney up and running on your Apple TV in just a few simple steps. First, navigate to your Apple TV's home screen locate and select the App Store icon. It looks like a blue square with a white A inside. Once you're in the App Store, you'll see a search bar. Usually at the top, select this search bar to bring up the keyboard. Using your Apple TV remote, type in Disney. As you type, suggestions will appear. Look for the official Disney app. You'll see the Disney app icon and name in the search results. Select it to view its details. On the apps page, you'll find a button that says select this button. Your Apple TV will now begin downloading and installing the Disney app. You'll see a progress circle indicating the download status. Once the download is complete, the Disney app icon will appear on your Apple TV home screen, ready for you to open. Open the Disney app and follow the on-screen prompts to log in with your existing Disney account or to sign up for a new one. And that's it. You're now ready to stream your favorite Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, and National Geographic content whenever you want. Enjoy endless entertainment with Disney on your Apple TV.